Welcome to a new section exploring the entrepreneurial behaviour N. Never act unethically. Despite the fact that there are numerous excellent entrepreneurial role models, not everybody agrees that it's a good idea to try to become more entrepreneurial. The positive or negative value placed on entrepreneurship varies from country to country. In some cultures, entrepreneurs are seen as champions of change and innovation. In others, entrepreneurs are regarded as gangsters and thieves. One of the objections people have about entrepreneurship is the apparent obsession of entrepreneurs with money. People particularly disapprove if they perceive that entrepreneurs are only interested in making money above all else. Yet, as we shall see in a later section on the entrepreneurial behaviour E exercise for productivity, a good understanding of money is central to the idea of successful entrepreneurship. However, some people equate an entrepreneur's focus on money with greed. They suspect that entrepreneurs may naturally be willing to behave unethically in order to achieve their wealth. There is a suspicion that money, large amounts of money, inevitably corrupts. Entrepreneurs, therefore, can be seen as selfish, as valuing themselves above others and only able to achieve their financial success at the expense of the wider society. If you hold this view of entrepreneurship, it's understandable that you will not be a supporter of the entrepreneurial mindset. However, our definition of the mindset acknowledges that these negative perceptions exist. The entrepreneurial mindset as defined in the mindset mnemonic therefore explicitly rejects unethical practices. Our emphasis is on honesty, integrity, and compliance with the law. We also emphasize a consideration of societal issues through the first entrepreneurial behavior, M. Meet real needs. In this section, we'll be exploring a range of questions designed to help you to think about your ethical behaviors. How can you mimic the best entrepreneurs when it comes to good practice in ethical behavior? How can you make the right decision when faced with choices which lead to ethical or unethical outcomes? Is it better to rely on a system whereby people recognize and self-correct their bad behaviors, or as a society, do we need a robust system of regulation and compliance? Ultimately, we will consider how the entrepreneurial mindset not only requires you to behave ethically, but how it also requires you to challenge unethical behaviors in others.